Turn off the lights. Hit the lights, nigga.
There you go right there.
Hit the lights. Hit the lights.
Fuck you.
Hit the lights. Hit the lights.
Fuck you.
Hit the lights, nigga.
Move like a phantom and the haters can't stand them. Roll with the shotgun, wreck you on the spot. Some boys in the hood ain't up to no good. Trey, get your ass out. Show you how to make a tie nigga pass out. Garrison Boulevard, your last route. Ain't no plan of war, we slang of war. Better stand for yours, be a man for yours. Taliban for sure. Come see me. Tell your man don't snore like ZZ. West Craven Nightmare feature. That's my children, Pyru Reapers. I know the Candy Man, that's B&G, and that's B&E. Down to BDC, to the M-Dub. Our motto, fuck 'em up, stuck 'em up, bustin' guns, just for fun. You don't want none, drive by in the rental when I came out. Much love, 4 killers in the same house. We come, we fuck shit up, we leave. Shout outs to Midway Chucky. But if a nigga snitch, know what up, G? By the way, fuck Jason, no replacing this nightmare from the Sandman. Mr. Postman, Mr. Postman, coast to coast, man, coast to coast, man. That's why I like to keep the toast, man. Welcome to the murder show. I am your host, man. Right. Turn niggas to a ghost, man.
Hit the lights, nigga.
There you go right there.
Look, watch me shoot this motherfucker. Shoot this motherfucker. Shoot this motherfucker.